Good morning. Today's Tuesday. So it's 9:48 right now. I have a test at 2:30. He wants us to go on Zoom at 2 o'clock just to like say goodbye to us, which I think is like really sweet. That's what we have going. I thought that I would just study for the class and just kind of like go over all of our notes for the next couple of hours just to make sure that I have it all down. I feel like I look crazy. I rubbed my eye last night and now it's like bloodshot. Yikes. I'm really excited for today because I ordered a package and it's coming sometime today. You guys will see it when it gets here, but I'm really excited for it. So I don't know if you guys are losing your minds as well, but I'm trying to study. And I don't know if this is happening to anyone else, but my family is so loud. My sister's room is the one next to mine and I can hear her all the time. I can hear everyone in the living room, and so it's so hard to study and to focus when all I hear is people talking. Hi! Hello! Why are you walking in circles around me, huh? Aww. You're so cute. I love you. I've been studying for my test and then I had some free time, so I've been watching YouTube videos. And I really want to do two like challenge type things. I really want to do a video where I try drinking a gallon of water every day for a week. And then I also want to try the Chloe Ting like 2-week shred challenge because everyone's doing those. And like it just seems like the perfect time to do it, you know? Like 10 steps away from my bathroom. So much free time to get abs, right? Yeah. Alright. Let me know if you guys want to see those videos because I would love to do them. 5 more minutes and then I have my wait a minute. What is that? Because it's not doing that in person. Is that my FBI agent? What? Is someone like secretly recording me? Do they know it's me now? Now they stopped. Oh, like what is that? Anyways, oh my god, now I'm like paranoid. If anyone knows what that is, comment it down below because I'm hoping it's just like not my FBI agent.
But you guys will kick ass like you always do.
He's like the sweetest little old man.
Again, so I have to ask, I mean, do you guys like have your notes nearby when you're doing this?
I just finished my marketing exam. I missed 4 out of 50. That's all right. I mean, it could be better. I mean, whatever. I'm just waiting for him to put in a grade because that will decide if I get an A or a B in the class. Like I have a 95 or 94 right now, but if he puts in that grade and it's lower than what I'm expecting, then I get a B and I don't want a B. I want an A. I'm still waiting for my package to arrive. I've been waiting for it forever and it's not here. Oh, yeah. This wasn't the package I was expecting, but I ordered underwear on Amazon. So also, you guys, I don't know if you guys are having the same issue. Okay, why do I look like Donald Trump with this hairstyle? No, stop. I was taking my test and my family, like I always tell them before I take a test to like be quiet. They were being so loud and I like was literally texting them during the test like, please be quiet, like shh. Okay, I have 1,000 questions for you guys in this video, but I want to know, are you guys the kind of people that need like complete silence to pay attention, or do you guys need some background noise? I personally need complete silence. Let me know. I'm interested. I care about you. My package finally arrived. Oh my gosh, you guys, my mom's husband, so like my stepdad basically, he actually went up to the UPS guy and like asked for it. The UPS guy said that he's going to be in this neighborhood for 3 more hours. He said that they're working from 10 a.m. or like 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. since they don't have any like helpers to ship packages. So they are working like over 12-hour shifts. So I just wanted to say really quickly before I like unbox this in the video, thank you to all the essential workers out there and all that you guys are doing, whether you work in a hospital or you work at an office or you work at a grocery store or like a Target or like a delivery man or one of your parents are essential workers. I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you. We could not be running without you guys and really the backbone of this country right now. Cheers to you. This is water, not vodka, don't worry. So there's been an issue and the issue is I can't find my scissors. I don't know where they went. Seriously don't know where they went. I bought this acupuncture mat that has like these really sharp plastic things and I wonder if this could cut the package. It can't. Cool. We need scissors. Where are the scissors? Am I not looking hard enough? Found the scissors. I don't think I told you guys what I got, but I got an iPad and an Apple Pencil from Apple because I have an iPad, but it's too old, so it doesn't go with the new Apple Pencil. And this actually, I never bought this. I got a scholarship my senior year of high school and they gave us iPads for part of the scholarship. And I never really used it that much. And I really want to use an Apple like iPad and a pencil for taking notes and then also like thumbnails and graphics and stuff like that. So I can be more creative creative with it, so I thought that I would trade it in. So the reason I got it from Apple instead of Amazon was that Apple has like a trade-in, so I'm trading this one in. And then I bought the new iPad that syncs the Apple Pencil. I did not get the iPad Pro. I just felt like that was a little expensive. What I want to do on the iPad, I can do it on the iPad Mini, I can do it on the iPad Air, I can do it on the regular iPad, I can do it on the iPad Pro. So I just bought the cheapest one because we're balling on a budget because I recently bought a car. Ooh! I've been watching so many of these videos on YouTube. It's stuck. What the? I've been watching. Oh my god. But I got the iPad 7th generation with 128 gigabytes. I got the rose gold one because it's so pretty. And then I got the 1st generation Apple Pencil because the 2nd generation does not compatible with this guy. The box to return my old iPad is not in here. You basically like send it in and then they reimburse you. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Slowly going. You're kind of hurting my arm. Ooh, she's cute. Now for the Apple Pencil. Oh, okay, pretty. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to figure out how to turn on this iPad. Hopefully it's not broken, because if it is, I'm gonna lose my mind. It's almost midnight. I was planning on working out, but then I got really caught up using my iPad. I'm drawing right now, tracing a disposable camera. I drew this. Oh, I guess I traced it. I don't know if drawing counts. This is one of my sorority sisters, and I'm using it for a graphic for my sorority's Instagram story. But I'm watching Grey's Anatomy while I do it, so I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, today's Wednesday. I'm just playing around on my iPad again, and I actually just finished college my sophomore year because I had a test that I had to take on Friday, but we got an email saying that if we requested the Y grade, had like a suitable grade, like we had above a C, then we could request it and I'll have to take the final. And my grade in the class was, I think it was like an 85 or something, and I really wanted to bring it to an A. There was no way that I could bring it to an A, so I was like, it's just gonna negatively impact my GPA. I took the Y. It's the only Y I took, I think. I mainly took it so I could get out of taking the final. It's officially summer, and that's boring. And there's not much to do. Today has literally just completely gone away from me. So I just had dinner. My family got Cafe Rio because I'm obsessed with it and I recommended that we get it, and so they decided, yeah, let's get it. So I just had dinner. I've been feeling really sick all day. Like every time that I sit down, my stomach starts to hurt and I like have to go to the bathroom, or like I feel like I'm in pain. So I don't know what's going on. It's not like cold symptoms like corona. Oh, I also got some more clothes for a sponsorship for Victoria's Secret, or for Pink. We are doing sponsorships throughout the summer together. So these are the clothes that I bought. I was stupid and bought 2 things that I already own. They're good, so I don't mind. I'm not mad about it. Can you see me? Can you see me piecing you out? Yeah, peace out for now. Good morning. Oh, what is today? Wednesday, Thursday? What, Thursday? But I just laid outside for 30 minutes. But I only laid on my front for 30 minutes because I was getting bored, and oh, I should plug it in. I forgot to charge my phone last night. Sometimes I just get really tired and forget to plug it in, and I don't know where I put it. I'm gonna charge her. She matches my swimsuit. Anyways, yeah, I just laid outside. I kind of want to work out right now, but I kind of also don't. I think that the first thing that I'm literally in a bikini, like talking to you guys, like cool. The first thing that I think that I really need to do, clean my room. So it got really messy when I was like unboxing all the stuff that I got. So I just kind of threw it on the floor, and then now it's literally so messy. So I think that I'm gonna do that, and then I have like some sponsored content that I need to upload, or like post. Quick little intermission. So I just posted my sponsored post that you guys saw me take earlier this week, and then I posted the stories, and then on my sorority's Instagram I posted these. These are really cute. They're like guess the sister. So that is what I've been up to. Now I need to clean. Got another unboxing. I don't know if I've told you guys this story. A while ago I ordered something from Sephora. I ordered 2 foundations and they sent me one in the wrong shade. I emailed them and they were like, yeah, we'll send you a new one. And then they sent me the wrong foundation in the right shade. So then I had to email them again, be like, hey, like, thanks. But it wasn't the right foundation. Beautiful. Basically, I now have 4 foundations and I only paid for 2. Yeah, that was definitely the wrong shade, so it's the right one. Bless. Thanks for customer service. Appreciate you girls. Mwah. Hello. Oh my god, I look, whenever my hair is just like, what are you doing? But I've been basically online chatting with Google all day to try to figure something out, and it's still not figured out because Google's stupid. I said it. There we go. Demonetize me. Please don't. But this is like the most unboxing video you'll ever see. But I have another package. I am so excited because I bought some running shoes because they're running shoes that I normally wear. I got them in the 8th grade. 13 in the 8th grade? Yeah. I'm now 20. I bought another pair of running shoes. You guys told me that I should check out the brand Brook. I've never heard of it. I thought it was just like a small company, but apparently it's like a huge company. But I ordered this like months ago and they finally are here. It took them forever to ship me. I get it. Corona. Oh, they're like really, they're pretty cute. Yeah, they're like, should I look the guru, like very cute. They have like a knitted pattern. I wanted black and white because I thought that would just go, you know, with the most things. Good morning, happy Friday. It's a little bit later in the day and I just got a package from Princess Polly. We're doing a sponsorship with them. This has literally turned more into like a YouTuber like week in my life than a finals week in my life, but I'm just going through everything that I got. And also, okay, so I posted this on Instagram today and I've got a lot, like a ton of responses. Basically, I think I should sit down for this. So I posted that Victoria's Secret haul, like kind of story thing, and obviously I showed my body, like I showed me wearing sports bra and leggings and you know that stuff. I had a lot of really rude DMs basically saying that like I'm fat, that like I look bigger, that like I need to lose weight, that like you've gained weight, like, you know, just a bunch of really rude comments like that. So I posted something on my story and I was like, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I'll like save it to my like self-love highlight probably, if you guys want to see what I said. But basically, like, I just wanted to like say on here that I like know for a fact that I know that I don't have like a size 00 body and my waist isn't this big and like I'm not curvy and I don't look like Kim Kardashian, I don't look like Kendall Jenner, and I am probably bigger than a lot of YouTubers out here. I might be a lot smaller than other YouTubers too, but it is really scary putting yourself out there and showing your body. I mean, I was definitely like self-conscious posting the Victoria's Secret stuff because it's nerve-wracking. Like, I hope this doesn't come off like conceited, but like there's posting yourself in a bikini, like your 1,000 followers, and then there's yourself posting yourself in a bikini to tens of thousands, to hundreds of thousands of people, and that's really nerve-wracking, having that many people see you and critique you. I really want my channel and like platforms to really just be about like, you deserve to love yourself, like you can accept yourself for the way you look. Like, you don't need to wait to love yourself when you lose 10 pounds. Like, you can love yourself right now. You can love everyone around you. Like, you don't need to be judging other people. You don't need to be judging yourself. Like, you can, I'm going on a tangent. I know that I don't have a super skinny body and I don't look like a lot of people on the internet and a lot of celebrities, and I'm aware of that and I'm fine with that, and it's taken me a really long time to be fine with that. So please don't come for me and tell me that I'm fat and set back all the progress that I've made loving myself and loving my body. So I'm gonna give you guys homework for the video. Sorry, I know school's over, but my homework is just to reach out to someone, tell them that you think they're amazing and that you love them, and tell them why you love them. Okay, that's your goal, that's your homework. Anyways, back to this. So I will do a whole haul for you guys of all this stuff because I got quite a bit because they sent me stuff, so thank you, love you. This is me blowing a kiss. Anyways, I'm gonna go through all of this. It's 5:20 p.m. It's gonna take a while for them to stop. I'm getting ready for the first time today. I don't have very many like Instagram photos to post. Kayla said she would help me out. What was it? You got pizza? Oh, but we got pizza. But I'm getting ready to take some photos because I need some Instagram content, and I just want to get ready and feel like really good about myself after all of the mean comments about my body. I feel like I deserve that, so that is what I'm doing. I'm done getting ready. I feel cute again. I have my outfits. I have the one I'm wearing, and then I think I have four others, just so I can get a lot of content. And then I need to pick shoes out that I can wear for all outfits that are like easy to change in and out of. My room is a mess again because of all of this. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, 6 p.m. We're just waiting for someone to throw away something in a dumpster by us, and then I'm gonna go change in my car. You know, it's actually legal. I could be a sex offender, a registered sex offender. I'm not like other girls. I'm a sex offender. It's not funny, don't be a sex offender. I'm casual. Why am I whispering? He can't hear me. He's probably gonna tell me. Oh my god, I'm so Kayla. Oh my god.
unfollow Keegan Acton. She stepped up. Unsubscribe.
You want me to buy you new ones?
See, and I put these on today with the thought that like, wow, I really hope someone doesn't like run into me. Be your own self, you know.
It don't be your own self, it'd be me.
I mean, but it'd be my own self for wearing them. You know, when your mustache sweats, look at that oil.
Look at that natural glow. Okay, I'm gonna get nude in my car. See you soon.
Bye, vlog. See, that was funny because I said vlog when it's clearly a
Dog
vlog.
with the blog.
Keegan with the vlog. And don't forget, Carol Baskin.
Killed her husband.
She whacked him.
Can you convince you otherwise?
No, you can't. And then I think she fed him to tigers, and you know what they were doing? Snacking. I love being a mature 21-year-old. I really do.
I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just had like a cute little dance party with my mom, my sister listening to throwback music, and it's really freaking hot. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you're not already, subscribe. I love you guys with every part of me to my core. I love you so much. So thank you guys for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already to see some of these photos I took. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I keep doing peace signs. I need to stop.